This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
But so far as this matter,
Let him say whatever he has to say.
but I want to take the question of DMRR. The application is not maintainable before your Lordship's court. Why I am telling your Lordship? Your Lordships knows that in terms of Section 8 of National Commission of Women's Act, the court will act as a civil court regarding the all process. The process will be issued as if it is a civil court. Now, very recently, a judgment delivered by my Justice Dipankar Datta, where also a officer who was issued a notice that was subsequently went up to the Supreme Court. There it says, if the remedy which has been given, the petition, the civil court has passed any order in relation to a proceeding, then 226 will not be a proper forum.
You show me what proceeding you are carrying on.
Yes, they have annexed it. Kindly see it once.
What is your proceeding?
Yes, kindly see it. Kindly see the act itself.
No, act no. Show me what proceeding you are carrying out.
I have issued summon.
No, what is the number of the summons?
Yes.
Which proceeding?
The proceeding number. This is the proceeding number. Your Lordship can see it.
Page number?
There is an envelope. Your Lordship can see it because some letters are there which should not be demonstrated in public. That is the reason we have given it in a civil cover.
Yes.
Kindly see the subject, a specific case number was registered. Your Lordship will find 8/9808/2025 NCW
On the basis of what you have detailed that, show me that.
On basis of what?
This is a number.
Complaint. You want to see the complaint?
Yes.
Kindly turn to complaint. No, the last but 5-6 pages written in Bengali. The complaint which has been received by us.
Is Bengali?
Yes. And the commission has the power not only on the basis of a specific complaint, but if
suo moto
we can do that.
But then something must be there. Suo moto also.
Yes, of course.
Then the signature of the person, something must be there.
Yes, it is there. Kindly see it. And whole nation is aware about this footage.
I see.
The conversation.
Very good. Now you come, all right, you have a document. I will come to the rest of the part. Now you come to
yes, my lord.
The petition.
My lord, they have challenged our jurisdiction itself.
They may have challenged many things.
And the whole question before your Lordship is today,
one minute.
Whether NCW has the power to issue summons to the police officials or not.
Provided
that is the whole question.
Provided its own proceedings. No, provided they have
in their own proceeding, which will act as a civil court. Kindly see section 10 once.
I will come to that 10.
There are 4 letters which has been issued to us to the superior officers.
36.
Yes. Yes, my lord.
Under which power you ask to add the sections?
This is recommended in nation.
No. How can you do that, sir? How can you do that? You are carrying out an investigation.
Yes.
How can you ask the police authority to do in what manner, what sections are to be incorporated?
Because your Lordship knows.
This is interference with the you do your investigation. I have got nothing to do. I will not interfere with your investigation. But a police authority investigating a case, who can interfere? You tell me. You satisfy me on this point.
Well, we did not interfere. Kindly see the order.
Kindly
see the order. Kindly see the letter.
Yes.
What we want is this, Your Lordship, kindly consider page 36 once.
You have passed an order under 10.4.
Yes.
In light of the above and under section 10.4 of the National Commission of Women Act, the Commission hereby directs you to take immediate action.
My humble submission is this, This is not a direction. This is mere a recommendation.
That is your submission. That is direction.
That has been clarified on the next letter. Your Lordship, kindly see that also. Kindly see it, The next letter, Your Lordship, kindly see it. Recommendation. Recommendation.
Where is that?
Yes. Now, kindly see it. Page 40.
as per the program.
Page 40, my lord, kindly come.
I'm on 40 only.
Yes.
Tell me.
My lord, kindly see non-compliance, the FIR disclosure and laxity of investigation notice for appearance before NCW and so and so.
Where is that? You have amended the last letter dated 10/6/2025. You
Yes.
said there is a direction of the National Commission for Women. Now, this is a direction. You are a statutory authority. You
Yes.
are passing a direction under section 10(4).
10-4.
Therefore, you have not, this is not recommendatory in nature.
My lord, my humble submission is this, my lord, this is recommendatory in nature. This is, we cannot, my lord, say you add this section.
You have
That
said,
is true.
You have said that, sir. This letter itself,
But we can always monitor the investigation, my lord.
I will come to that
So far as
later.
my investigation is concerned. But
Your-
kindly
your
see their
investi-
response. Kindly see their response also.
Come to one by one everything,
Yes.
sir. So, you don't agree with the contents of this letter, sir?
Only because, my lord, that part we cannot direct for investigation, but always we can recommend for investigation. Kindly take note of it, my lord.
Recommend for what investigation?
Appropriate sections, my lord, lesser section has been given. Your lordship knows. we
Where
can-
from are you getting that power, you say? That you are you will be recommending for appropriate section.
So far as the investigation is concerned, my lord, we do not have power. Because on the basis of the recommend, we always can recommend that. My lord, kindly see the
The
power.
basis of what you will recommend, sir. You must have materials before you to recommend. You are asking, this is a direction you are passing.
Yes.
This passing of the direction of addition of section 79, 352 and section 34, 74
Yes.
is on the basis of what materials you have, you tell me.
But the entire conversation, it was there before us.
Hmm.
The letter which has been
That
given.
conversation is before everybody.
Yes.
So how do you direct when the investigation is carried on? I've got no issues, sir. Show me the provision over here that you had materials which are more than what the case diary is, than what is available. And that is why you recommend these sections to be added. First of all, I have my doubts
My lord,
regarding this powers to be exercised.
My lord, if your lordship heard the conversation, your lordship will, my lord, certainly, my lord, invoke, my lord, what are the sections which is applicable? Kindly the section which they have given. The lesser section has been given. But we are not concerned about the other sections. They are given the sections 132, 224, 354, 3. But we are not concerned about that. It relates to public servant. We are not interfering to that. We are interfering, the commission is interfering when there is a lesser section has been given, although the statute.
That the commission must have powers, sir. Then tomorrow Human Rights Commission will make a recommendation.
This is
There are thousands of commissions, they are going to make recommendation and interfere with the police investigation, sir. Court of law usually doesn't, even a higher court of law is reluctant to interfere with a
that is true, my lord, no doubt.
You carry on with your investigation, you require the attendance of a person who
Yes.
will not interfere with
Yes.
that, but you will not have access to the case diary.
No, not case diary. My lord, what Supreme, we are saying case docket. My lord, kindly see.
Case docket means what? How
What is case docket? My lord, the relevant, my lord, what it says, my lord, the case docket means the relevant, my lord, the documents which will be there in the case diary. The Supreme Court is saying the very recent judgment, only the statement made under 161 and 164, that should be not given to the commission. Other document regarding FIR, progress of investigation, that can always be submitted before the commission.
But if I am progress, I am not interfering. But case diary as a whole cannot.
No, we are not saying so. We are never saying so. Your lordship can record that. The statement, so far as the investigation part is concerned, 161, 164, the Supreme Court is very clear on that. But I can rely on a superior police officer of our state, ADG CID, but in connection with same proceeding, but in CWC, but this is but National Commission of the National Commission for Protection of Child. The similar situation arises. But kindly see the paragraphs. But few paragraphs I shall refer on to your lordship. Here, but it was cautioned that whenever a commission is asking for attendance of a police officer, he is bound to do so.
I am not trying to demean the power of the commission.
Yes.
What I am trying to say is that each are independent of each other. You carry on with your
With our investigation
Ah,
and summoning of a person.
For that, if you require a document or the appearance, you summon him as usual.
Yes.
But what you are doing
But
over
in
here-
this order only, the Supreme Court's order,
No, that is Supreme Court's order in a different set of facts, sir.
similar,
Different set of
almost,
facts.
almost.
No, here is complete interference by the National Commission for Women over there.
No, regarding the amendment of section, only to that extent. But I said, this is on a basis of a,
You could have gone to the court of law for doing that. How can you direct? You could. I understand. Any person can go. Today,
Yes.
public interest litigation is going on also. So, courts are reluctant to advise investigating officers. We don't ask. Then from tomorrow onwards, we'll say, arrest this person, arrest that person. Can we say that? Sir?
no. But this was, my lord, deprecated by the Honorable Supreme Court. My lord, that is the last, my lord, the Supreme Court is saying in a similar situation, the judgment which
what are the case documents? What are the documents you want?
Yes, my lord, kindly see the document, page 41
of the writ petition.
of the writ petition. FIR and all related GD entries, because your lordship will, my lord, see why you have called for other GD entries. My lord, the accused in this case, who is a very influential person, my lord, on the first day of notice, he did not appear.
It's the merits of the case you are interfering, sir.
My lord, yes, that is the reason. My lord, we need to recommend all this before the central government. That power we have. And not only central government, we can recommend it to the state government also. So the state government can act in terms of the law and place all these documents before the assembly. That the statute mandates.
The statute mandates that you do it on your investigation, sir. What you are wanting presently see over here?
Yes.
FIR and all related GD entries.
No problem.
Public document, no issues regarding
Public document. Videography and photograph.
Photographs of what? Of what? These are vague, no video and photograph of what?
Then the medical and forensic reports.
Medical what report?
Medical report, why I am telling your lordship, my lord, so far as the, my lord, the allegation which we got, the person is very influential. On the very first day, he has given certain certificate regarding his, my lord,
then you
sickness.
So you have got to specify that of the accused.
Of the accused, of
so
course.
When have you stated that?
That is the only medical report they have. In this case, entire conversation and all, your lordship will not find any medical report. The medical report of the accused.
So you are investigating what? I'm telling you, what are you investigating to find out some truth?
Of course, my lord.
Huh?
Yes.
Truth.
Yes.
So,
and not only truth, and which are the, my lord, the recommendation on basis of the complaint, what are the actual facts, so that we can recommend to this central government and also state government, my lord, to avoid this kind of situation and to take precaution for the offense.
No, that you do. Your recommendatory power, I'm not to dispute.
Yes.
There's legislation regarding that. But you have got to specify the medical documents of
the document of the accused. There is no other medical report.
The forensic report of what?
Forensic report of phone. What they have done in this case, my lord, I'm telling you,
report of phone has been received.
But they have seized what they have done. Only the police officers' phones they have been seized. So far as the accused person who actually committed the crime, no phone has been seized till now.
The one phone will suffice the purpose for.
Yes, that is the reason. We also want to clarify, because as a commission, we also come. What are the truth in this matter? Whether actually this conversation has taken place or no. That is the reason the forensic report was sought for. This is number 2. This is a public document, and in terms of the act, the public document is supposed to be given by them. Number 3. Kindly see, my lord, the written direction declaring the FIR to be sensitive, because in their reply, they are saying we did not provide the FIR because it is sensitive in nature. So, your lordship will find in the judgment itself, the Youth Bar Association, it says, the Deputy Superintendent of Police, when the offense is sensitive in nature, immediately, they have to give a ground why this has not been uploaded. We want that explanation from that. That we can do always. 4. The copy of the magistrate communication. The communication which has been given to the magistrate regarding the DSP's the consent. These are the communication. And progress of investigation. This was permissible by the Supreme Court.
Progress, the FIR related, but sir, you are acting as if you are monitoring the investigation.
No, I am not monitoring the investigation. Yes, not.
You see your language, you control your language.
Yes, my lord.
You see over here, it is unacceptable that despite the passage of over 20 days, no forensic report. How will in how many cases? If the central agencies are to behave like this in NDPS cases, if the IOs don't come, if the courts behave harshly, will you accept that, sir? See, you have got to have an approach as a statutory authority.
We are doing so.
No issues
we are doing so.
The language is very offensive. The language is two authorities. These are federal structures.
Yes,
sir.
yes, no doubt.
And
this is also their duty to assist the commission.
Definitely. I don't dispute that. Sir. It is also their duty to assist.
Exactly the same way the Supreme Court
the commission has been established for that only.
For that only.
I don't dispute that position. But then the language must be in a different tone, sir. It is see, forensic experts, how they will behave. How will the police authority say? You tell me.
Lord, what we want is this, my lord. Kindly consider one thing. Whether, because we are also, my lord, investigating the matter in terms of the statute. Whether the conversation, the complaint which has been made to us, that is actual conversation is genuine or not.
If the expert doesn't send anything, experts.
We are requesting to expedite it.
This is language of the request. This is language of request. You are also a lawyer. You know how to draft, sir. Had you accepted this?
No, that is okay, Milord.
That's not okay, sir. Public servants must have respect for the other public servants, sir. Today, if I call all the officers and try to abuse them, there's a scope. There's a scope. There's no scope.
No doubt, Milord.
No doubt. But as a court of law, should I do that? Sir, they will respond whatever is in their custody. Don't press. If the investigation concludes, you want everything. As usual, you understand. You do your investigation. Whatever documents are there.
They are not responding to it. First time they are saying it's sensitive in nature. We cannot give it to you. No, kindly see the reply. Your Lordship is Milord going through our.
Whatever pages have come.
Yes, I have. They have annexed everything. Milord, kindly see their reply once. What reply they are giving?
Pages.
The reply.
Yes, first reply, Your Lordship, kindly turn.
Page
33. As if page 34, second para, as if they are helping the accused. This is the conduct of the investigating agency. But kindly see, page 34, second para. The place of occurrence was visited. 34. The complainant, duty officer and recording officer were examined. Their statement was recorded. Notice under section so-and-so served upon the accused. Again on so-and-so. And 1/6/2020.
Here this matter, what are you wanting? Why have you come to High Court?
The present last complaint, last communication made on the
which is the last communication and
2nd of July, page 43.
Pastor Vice Vijay.
They have rescheduled the appearance to 14th of July 2025, Milord, at New Delhi. And this is, Milord, again, let it be stated in unambiguous terms, third paragraph from the bottom, that no further extension shall be considered in the event of your inability to attend due to exceptional and documented law and order obligations. Either the additional SP or the SDPO must appear in person carrying all relevant documents. This notice be treated as final and binding opportunity.
Very good. What you do is this: you appear by virtual mode and you send all the documents. Which documents you cannot send, give an explanation.
No, Milord, only one responsible officer. We are not asking to SP to go there. One responsible officer should visit the commission. Milord, that is the mandate of the Supreme Court. Milord, Your Lordship, kindly, Milord, hear me out. That is the mandate. They have to comply, Milord, this. One responsible officer has to go there.
No.
One responsible officer, they have to.
With the change of the medium, sir, BNSS itself in also crimes earlier.
There, Milord, BNSS will not be applicable. Kindly turn to section 10 once. Kindly say section 10.
You are a civil court.
Not only that, how the evidence has to be given. Milord, kindly see that once.
The evidence will start, sir. First, let them send the documents. They will send the documents. I'm not saying send the documents electronically. Virtually appear. You give the clarifications, what more you want, then fix a date, they will go.
As Your Lordship, please. As Your Lordship, that also. Kindly record that. By that way, Milord, virtual means it says, Milord, kindly see. Summoning, what is our melodic right?
No, sir, right vested and exercising such right are two different modes, sir.
No, Milord, kindly hear it out. Summoning and enforcing the attendance of any person from any part of India and examining him on oath.
That part will go on, sir. Let you give.
Yes, Milord, kindly clarify.
You have got to prepare yourself also for examination.
That is the reason, Milord. What are the documents?
So you get the list of documents are there, Mr. Bhattacharjee.
My lord.
Whichever you have, you can give, and whichever you can. So a forensic expert, you have not received the report. You cannot give that, sir. You show your last requisition or information. Suppose you have got that. You take your decision whether you are going to divulge. I am not going to compel because I cannot say which investigation will go in what manner. That is also not my duty. That as a list I will decide that it should have been given or not. Because What you do for the timing, I'm not entering into the merits of the case right now.
Kindly keep the matter pending.
The matter pending. Your Lordship can keep the matter pending.
Matter pending. It
Yes.
requires deliberation because these matters will increase. Bound to increase.
Milord,
There will be conflict between the commissions, the powers of the commissions. As in fact, in enforcement directorate case A is also there has been
it's a creature of statute, Milord. What we have elementarily learned, Milord, the statutory authority is only entitled to go in terms of the statute.
We are doing in terms of the law, and kindly see their prayer.
Milord,
They are saying the
1990
case which has been registered before the NCW, the whole case should be quashed. That is their prayer.
The country has traveled
That is their
35
prayer.
years from 1990. The country has traveled 35 years from 1990, Milord. So therefore, Milord, definitely, and
all right.
a progressive nation.
All right. What you do, you ask either the SDPO, they have given you options also. It's not the SP. They have given some officer.
I will appear virtually. I will, Milord, cooperate with electronically. I'll send whatever is according to us. But definitely, Milord, the basic documents, definitely it will be sent across. FIR has already been sent. Milord, the insistence on this sort of a language and by the highest authority, Milord, I do not comment, Milord, because I have learned when my Lord is not saying, Milord, I cannot say anything.
ঠিক আছে. For the timing, then you,
Milord,
all right, you deal with that. You have got nothing against the police officer, the superior police officer, I believe. You want to unearth something as a...
The way the investigation is going on, your Lordship kindly consider that.
No, no.
Milord, as a citizen of this country, I am ashamed. The kind of language was given and the kind of investigation police is doing.
his, Milord, exuberance proves
They should be ashamed.
more than what meets the eyes.
They should be ashamed of it.
Milord, his exuberance, Milord, of the DSG, Milord, proves that
I need not understand anything from you.
আসতে হবে আসামির হয়ে তখন বুঝবে হ্যাঁ
Kindly see this.
I will see also in many
Your Lordship will encouraging this kind of Milord.
all types I encourage, sir. All petitioners application.
Let's-
What you do is this. You go on. So far as this investigation is concerned, I'm returning these pages to you.
Yes.
You carry on with the investigation. This was not before me, basically.
Oh.
This was not.
Milord, do we, because of the sensitive in nature, Milord, that is the reason we did not
And I
produce
need
it for your
not
Lordship.
Mr. Bhattacharya learned a special.
And Milord, kindly record that also. Milord, on the next occasion, if the commission sought for any, Milord, for the witness, they have to go. The responsible officer.
Prior to that, I will want a hearing on the issue. I'm just
Yes,
for
yes.
the relief on the hearing on the issue in these circumstances, because two of the cases, I believe this was in public interest litigation.
Two of the cases, Milord, I will, Milord, try
Public,
to persuade your Lordship in my most humble way. Milord, I do not have
because this opening,
anything personal against any authority.
no,
The issue is, Milord,
one-
overall legal issue.
yes, legal issue.
And Supreme Court has settled this issue in 2019. Milord, the ADG CID, he was called, Milord, by the Commission for Protection of Child.
Not that one, sir. The first issue is regarding the maintainability of.
Yes, Milord, I am ready, Milord. Maintainability, your Lordship can keep.
I'm keeping that open. He will address. That is why I am much more interested in doing this matter regarding
It on any day convenient to the court, Milord, subject to his business.
No,
nothing.
nothing.
I am always available.
No. Both of you work. Please work on that. Update me because I'm not a person having a background of read code, sir. Learned advocate A as learned
ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড না থেকে যা হচ্ছে ভাই, ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড থাকলে কি হতো কে জানে।
কি বললাম learned special কি senior special counsel na ki ho
No, I'm not appearing in that capacity. I am appearing as a lawyer.
learned advocate aid appearing on behalf of
I'm
the
appearing for the state.
petitioner submit has advanced challenge regarding certain act and action of the National Commission for Women. To that effect, he has advanced his submissions. Asked to use a moderate language, sir. If you have complaints, you make that. If they have done anything at now,
You are not complying with my direction.
if you have your issues, since you are now before me, if you have your complaints, make those
I will
complaints.
request my learned brother to go through Oryx Fisheries and return.
If you face any misbehavior in a police station or in any police office, you complain to me. That is why I am deciding the issue so that you can also come to me also.
But Milord, Commission, your Lordship has seen the Commission. They can always summoning these people.
I understand.
That has been upheld by the Supreme Court.
I am not on the summoning part, sir.
Yes.
I am on the part when you at the ground reality. This language has come. definitely at the ground reality, you were forced to face with harsh consequences. That is why the language has come out.
Your Lordship understand.
Ah.
Your Lordship understand the conscience of the case also.
And the issuing authority also.
When his police officers are being abused, what steps they have taken, everybody knows.
चलो now. কি বললাম? আরেকবার একটু বলুন। Commission for Women, National Commission for that effect here as advance submission. And also questioned the authority of the commission.
They want to quash the entire case before the commission. Kindly see the prayer whether this is mental level.
Wait. Order
Entire case should be quashed before the commission.
Sir, wait. Somebody at 5:31 I am dictating.
I'm sorry.
This has got to be uploaded also.
On Friday, he is detaining me also.
কি বললাম? For the superior for the superintendent of police to appear personally.
No, this was never the direction. It said, my lord, the superior of police.
That is your contention. Do you see the prayers? No.
Whose? No, we said he can appear virtually.
I am recording his submission, sir.
It was never. The letter says, my lord, he can appear virtually. His subordinate officer can go physically. This was the, my lord, the contention of the letter.
কি বললাম? আচ্ছা, last লাইনটা পড়ুন। Refuting the contentions advanced on behalf of the petitioner, DSJ appearing for the commission submits that the commission is authorized under the law to carry out investigation, acting as a civil court under the relevant provisions of section 10(4).
10(4).
10 of the
Act.
10 of the Act is National Commission for
Women's Act.
For Women's Act. ঠিক আছে? I have considered the submissions of both the parties, and I am of the opinion that the writ petition is required to be heard exhaustively, both on the point of maintainability of the writ petition, as well as the nature of information to be divulged by the police authorities, investigating authorities, in respect of pending investigations to the commission. Be that as it may, for the time being, which page you have drawn my attention? The list of documents.
Yes, 41.
For the time being, the attention of the court was drawn to a list of documents enclosed at page 41 to the writ petition under 6 heads. The superintendent of police or a designated aid officer.
When it is virtually, let the superintendent of police appear virtually. Kindly record that.
No, this document would be sent by somebody.
Yes, that will be sent by somebody.
Or because he can't have only one case over here.
By electronic means.
Electronic means it will be.
By electronic means.
Whatever we have.
বলে দিচ্ছি তো রে বাবা। কি বললাম? Would send the available documents amongst the 6 documents, 6 category of documents and or digital informations which have been called for. In case they are unable to share or substantiate, it's not I'm asking you to give, sir. I'm also putting a proviso clause in case the.
I am not saying anything. Your Lordship indicates whatever your Lordship.
Because in case I'm saying,
this case docket along with kindly see, including.
I said six category which
case docket including.
I have said 6 category referred to over there. হ্যাঁ কি বললাম? Informations which have been sought for in case there is reservation of the police authority in police investigating authority in sharing any information. The same may be canvassed before this court on a subsequent AM date. I will consider in case they have reservation, I will consider whether the reservation is right or wrong. In case they have.
All the cases except the FIR, they will say we cannot provide any of the copies. But what is the
let them say that
passing of the then can a short date may be fixed any day next week.
Any day next week. How can this?
What is the
Sir, I have said 6 categories. Progress report they can do. FIR they can do. Expert reports if they don't have, how they will do. Now you see medical information which you say is of the
accused. They can always do that.
If they come with a lame excuse, obviously I will not allow that.
Action taken report will never be able to satiate their desire to not see me personally. Nothing else. The only desire is otherwise.
না যে যার মতো রাগ দেখাচ্ছে কোর্টে চলে আসুন হ্যাঁ আর আচ্ছা if a particular material is not available also the say aim may be informed to the commission with a tentative date within which the same can be obtained.
Which one?
If a particular thing is expert opinion, suppose it is not available.
They have to give when
a tentative date they will give.
Yes.
And you have got to be also what happens regularly in all courts.
But Millard, kindly consider that the sensitivity of the case, they are not uploading the FIR. And Millard, so sensitive, they cannot upload the FIR. But for the Millard examination, they are taking so long.
The superintendent of police will appear virtually on 1/7/2025. 1/7 na koto tarikh
14
on 14/7/2000. Which time they have given?
12 noon.
At 12 noon.
Let them send a link to us. We'll join.
That they will. Acha. And all the documents so categorized be sent to the commission electronically. A next date be fixed by the commission when a designated officer or by the superintendent of police
will go
will appear.
Yes.
Appear for answering the necessary queries.
Deeply obliged.
But appearance will not be of the SP, any designated officer.
We did not ask the SP to come. Kindly see our letter. We said you appear virtually. Then one of your person appear to. Kindly see our letter once.
Virtually, they have never said anything.
Yes, we have said. Kindly, you did not read our letter.
The document.
Yes, of course. It is there. It is there. Yes.
I have not seen it. If Mr. Mojumdar can justify virtually.
But we have said that it is stated on aqueous terms that no expression shall be concerned in the event ability to attend the exceptional document law and order obligation. Either police officer of SDP of Bolpur must appear in person and calling for. If you cannot appear, you send other persons to appear.
Virtual.
Kindly see his conduct. Ask him to leave the court. Please leave the court. You're laughing for the court of law. Who are you?
Please, you can't. I'm over here, sir. সবাই গিয়ে করলে হবে.
What is this? They need to court.
All right. The documents which have been in placed before this court, এদিকে আসলেই গরম হয়ে যায় লোকের, এটা আমি দেখেছি। রেসপন্ডেন্টে ব্রিফ থাকলেই আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে। 1 minute, sir. The documents which have been edited to further in the document ends placed by Mr. Mojumdar. Khame be returned to the documents placed by Mr. Mojumdar relating to the National Commission for Women and its proceedings be returned to the DSGI. আচ্ছা আর কি আছে? আর তো কিছু নেই।
Only one sentence.
হ্যাঁ কি আছে?
Whatever they do, they first circulate it in the open media and thereafter they say
no. These kind of allegation, Millard. These kind of allegation
because of the sensitivity of the case, no, because of the person.
Next time
today, whatever we propose to share, I do not know what they are going to share. What your lordship has not also indicated. I am only requesting, let some secrecy be maintained. Otherwise, this should not come out anywhere. Let it be confined within the.
No, but this is an investigation.
It has to come out. It's already come out.
Investigation
always about it
attaches with its secrecy, sir. All investigations.
What are
I'm not should restrict itself to the parameters of whatever the Act says, and let them conduct whatever they want to.
That I don't
doing so.
That you bring out a circumstance with this case, I will definitely deal. I'll definitely deal with that.
Next date of hearing, in the matter,
And that is what I'm thinking. এই তো কিছুই করতে পারছি না, এই মাসে এগোতেই পারলাম না।
Because Monday is the date fixed. Maybe come back next Friday again, if my learned friend is available.
See, you want to use an affidavit, Mr. Mojumdar, that will be better.
In this case, I don't think any affidavit is required.
No, maintainability point is there. No, that
you want affidavit on the maintainability point?
Yes,
we can do that. We can do that.
So
let
it be. And whatever we propose to do in terms of my lord's order, let it be also indicated, if it comments to your lordship, that this is wholly without prejudice, because we have questioned their jurisdiction to extract this sort of evidence from us for some otherwise reasons.
Supreme Court has settled that. Just judgment which I have given to them. Let him read it. Everything has been settled. Dr. Rajesh Kumar went before the Supreme Court.
Affidavit in opposition be filed by the who will file, which respondent, sir? Which respondent?
Respondent number 3, member.
Affidavit in opposition be filed by the respondent number. Affidavit in opposition be filed by the all our central government, all our NCW members.
NCW.
One will file. If later affirm that, but in the capacity of one's member. Affidavit in opposition be filed by the respondent number 1. What 2
weeks?
By 25th of July 2025. Affidavit in reply 1st of August 2025. Let the writ petition be listed on 8th of August 2025. I'm giving liberty to both of you. If they do not cooperate,
mention that also.
I'm giving liberty to mention to both the parties. If you are faced with inconveniences, you also mention before this.
It is understood that they will not insist on a physical appearance before the 8th.
No, it cannot be.
They will, if you I'm again saying, if you face inconvenience and if you non-cooperate. Both, I'm keeping both the issues open, sir.
No, your lordship is saying, your lordship has already ordered that after exchange of the documents,
as I said, I'll never be able to persuade them, because they have already closed their mind insofar as I am concerned.
You are a person whose the mind should be concerned.
1 minute. 8th August, this time 4:30. কি করে না, অন্য সবাই এই তো স্বপন দা এখন রেগে যাবে, বলেছিল আগে নিয়ে নিতে। 40 মিনিট হয়ে গেল। আচ্ছা, ওই on 8th of August 2025 under the heading hearing date run করুন at 4:30 p.m. Liberty is granted to both the parties to mention the matter in case there are non-cooperation as well as inconvenience.
We have a good case. It will not take more than 1 minute. As the manager has shown me the instruction. He has shown me the instruction.
What is the matter about this matter?
Permission to have a rally on the 3rd.